Alright, happy Wednesday. Let's see if we can't put together a quick video as I soak the tortoises. There's Leo here. Let's go ahead and get him going. There's Bingo. Bingo's eating away. I hate to disturb her, but she definitely needs a soak, so we're gonna go ahead and okay, there we go. You're okay. That's alright. See who else we can find out of the clan here. That's 2 out of the 5. Oh, we just stumbled on gold. Look at this. Here's Pebbles, this baby of the bunch. The escape artist. If you follow my channel at all, you know how hard it is to find pebbles. Here's Sandy. She's a sweetheart. Much easier to find than pebbles. So we got the 3 juveniles. 3 babies that were raised up here. Leo's our big rescue. The biggest of the bunch. And our other rescue is Rocky. Let's see if we can't spot Rocky. Usually I tend to find Rocky over here in this corner. Doesn't seem to be the case today. So we might have to go with no Rocky for the time being.